Welcome to Shaker's Conglomerate, with me, Shaker. Today, we are unboxing the Zotac GTX 1660 Amp Edition. This amped version of Zotac 1660 comes factory overclocked at 1845 MHz, powered by NVIDIA's Turing architecture, 6 GB of GDDR5 memory, 1408 CUDA cores, 192-bit memory bus. This super compact, overclocked VR-ready graphics card is ready for some serious 1080p gaming on high settings. The Zotac 1660 amp comes in at under 7 inches long, which will fit into 99% of the cases, they say. So I'm inclined to believe them. When it comes to cooling, the 1660 amp uses Ice Storm 2.0, which is found on bigger and more powerful systems, dual 90mm fans, 3 6mm copper heat pipes, a wide aluminum heatsink, and a very nice backplate. Using 130 watt power consumption, it gets a 8-pin power connector, and you get 3 DP ports and 1 HDMI port.